Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll down and find the personal section. On the second position we've got security, so let's enter, and here we have to scroll down again to the credential storage, and here we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the contents, so let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.